Okay, real talk. How many times have you heard just save it to the cloud or it's in my iCloud? And you nod like you get it, but inside you're like, what the heck is the cloud and why are my photos living in the sky? You're not alone. And honestly, the name of the cloud is the most misleading thing in tech. In the next 6 minutes, I'm going to explain exactly what the cloud really is using zero jargon, just simple examples and my terrible stick figure drawings. By the end, the cloud will actually make sense. No magic, no mystery. Sound good? Let's do this. So here's what most people picture when they hear the cloud. Some fluffy white thing floating up there holding everyone's photos and files, maybe with a tiny filing cabinet on a cloud. Yeah, no, that's not it at all. Here's the truth, and it's way less magical than you think. The cloud is just someone else's computer. That's it, the whole concept. I know, kind of boring, right? But stay with me because once you get this, everything clicks. Right now, when you take a photo on your phone, it lives on your phone in your device's memory. But what happens if your phone breaks or you lose it or you run out of space because, yeah, 4,000 cat pictures? That's where the cloud comes in. When you save to the cloud, you're just making a copy and sending it to a really powerful computer. Actually, thousands of them owned by a big company like Apple, Google, Microsoft, or Amazon. These are in giant buildings called data centers. Think of your phone like storing stuff in your house. Convenient, but limited space. The cloud is like renting a huge storage unit across town. Not right there with you, but you can access it anytime, as long as you have internet. Except instead of driving, you just tap a button. And instead of one unit, it's a warehouse of computers you'll never visit. That's the cloud. It's not floating, it's very real. It's just not your computer. Okay, so how does it actually work? Super simple steps. Step 1, you create or save something, like a photo. It's on your phone. Step 2, you turn on backup, iCloud, Google Photos, Dropbox, whatever. You're telling your phone, hey, send a copy to that big computer building. Step 3, your phone uses Wi-Fi or cell data, zips the file over the internet through cables and servers and lands in that data center. Step 4, now it exists in two places, your phone and the cloud. Step 5, and this is the cool part, you can grab your laptop, your tablet, or your friend's phone, log in, and boom, there's your photo. Because it's no longer trapped on one device. It's on those big computers you can reach from anywhere with internet. Now you might be wondering, why are Apple and Google so pushy about me using their cloud? Good question. Here's the honest breakdown. Reason 1, they want to sell you more storage. Most give you a little free, like 5 gigabytes or 15 gigabytes, but once you fill it with photos and videos, oops, need more? That'll be $3.99 a month, please. It's a business. Reason 2, it keeps you in their ecosystem. All your stuff in iCloud, switching to Android means moving everything. So you just stay. Convenient lock-in. Reason 3, it actually is useful. Phone dies, photos save. Laptop stolen, documents backed up. Out of friends and want to show a video? Pull it up instantly. They make money, sure, but you get real value too. But let's be real, the cloud isn't perfect. Concern 1, privacy. Your files are on someone else's computer. Companies say they encrypt it and don't peek. Most of the time true, but there's always some risk. Concern 2, internet required. No signal? Can't access your cloud stuff. So if you're going off-grid, download important things first. Concern 3, outages happen. Rare, but when iCloud or Google Drive goes down, you're just waiting. My advice, use the cloud, but don't make it your only copy. Local backup plus cloud equals safest. Quick recap so it sticks. 1, the cloud isn't a cloud. It's computers in big buildings owned by companies. 2, saving to the cloud sends a copy over the internet. 3, you access it from any device by logging in. 4, companies push it for money and loyalty, but it's genuinely helpful. 5, use it smart. Think privacy, have backups. See, not scary at all. Now I actually want to hear from you. Drop a comment. Do you use cloud storage? iCloud, Google Photos, Dropbox, OneDrive? And have you ever had that moment where it saved you, like your phone died but your photos were safe? Share your cloud horror story or win in the comments. I read every single one. If this cleared up the cloud for you and you want more no BS explanations like what Wi-Fi actually is or how Bluetooth works, hit that subscribe button. I drop simple tech breakdowns every Tuesday and Friday. No jargon, no judgment. Next one, how Wi-Fi really works. It's wilder than you think. Thanks for watching. Now go check your cloud storage and maybe back up those cat pics. See you in the next one.